To use the Savings Goal Builder by Central Bank, simply log into your online banking account, navigate to the top menu bar, find Savings Goal Builder, and get started. You can either create your own savings goal here, or you can select from any of these template options. Let's click Create Your Own Goal. Next. We want to set a goal amount of $5,000 in this example. The start date is July 3rd, 2024. Our target date, when we want to save $5,000, is next year. We want to set a frequency of daily, weekly, every 2 weeks. We'll say monthly here. Down here is a calculator. Our goal is $5,000. If we save $417 each month, we will reach $5,000 in a year. If I drag this calculator up, we will save $5,000 in 7 months if we allocate 817. If I drop it down, only saving 114 each month, it'll take us 3 years and 8 months to save $5,000. So let's go back to 420 approximately. So we'll click Next. Here's where you can edit your goals. We have a scheduled reoccurring designation coming from our checking account. We want to say $420 each month, coming out on the 1st until the goal is complete. Click Next. Now you can review your goal. Start date today, July 3rd. Target date, July 2nd, 2025, coming from the free checking account. $5,000 goal, reoccurring monthly at $420 until complete. Confirm. And the goal is added. So now you have your first savings goal in the Savings Goal Builder. Congratulations.